this Corvette section. And these babies are gorgeous. So, look at this. I'll come back up here for this yellow one right here. Sorry. So look at that. And this is 2022. But look at this. Look at this one right here. Right here. I'm gonna walk around. Oh, sorry, baby. I'm gonna walk around because, like I said, I don't know a lot about cars, but for this one, you don't have to know a lot. These are beautiful. Beautiful. And he's from Columbus, so it's got no luck on the on the back. But let's go back over here to Chosen Few. It's red and black. Ooh. Somebody I know better not see this. This is 2016. But look at this baby here. Walk around so you can see it. Yeah. Gorgeous.
That's right. Magic in the house.
All right, y'all hear him talking.
Now, what we want to do is we want to make sure that you only have one item, please, that you can have magic sign, okay? Please, form, and be patient, please. He's going to get as many as we can.
I'm going to go up here and see. We're going to walk over here. So this is the line for Magic to sign something.
While you're waiting, if you're not interested in getting a signature or from memorabilia, we would like all the owners to make other vehicles, motorcycles and trucks, start making your way up here to the award area, as we are going to be doing award ceremony at 2 o'clock, 15 minutes away.
Okay, you heard
15 minutes away.
This is the crowd. Again, parking lot is full. Oh, it looks like they got sorry, baby. Okay, well, I'm going to get in line so he can sign my t-shirt.